Let's make crispy mushroom today. You heard that? We need 200 grams of mushroom, 2 to 3 tablespoons of besan or chickpea flour. We are looking for a consistency that is a little sticky. I will show you what is the consistency we are looking for. Add chili powder, turmeric powder, onion powder, garlic powder, salt to taste, and veg Maggi cube. And the amount is listed here. Just go ahead and add them, toss it, give it a toss, and then go ahead and add a little bit of water and then mix them. We don't want it like a bhaji. We want it like kind of pakora kind of consistency. So this is how it should look. Okay, we want it to be crispy. Okay, now take a pan. We need to deep fry it, so just go ahead and add the mushrooms. Okay, it should be slightly mix them. You have really good look already. Trust me, you're going to enjoy this. Look at that, how beautiful it looks. That's it. Go ahead and enjoy. You must try this. You're going to like it. If you want more seasoning, you can add more seasoning like peri peri.